Alright, so we just got our Mavic Mini Pro, so we're going to unbox that. And then we're going to compare it a bit with the DJI Spark. So here is the new Mavic Mini. There's another sticker on this. There we go. So I'm just unboxing the new Mavic Mini. Comes with a cool carrying case, and here's the DJI Spark, just for a comparison. And we'll get into some of the details of what each of the drones can do, and kind of a comparison of the specs and all that. So we got, I think it's called the GoFly, the 3 battery kind of package, so you can fly a lot more. We have the 3 battery on the on the Spark as well. So there you go. So yeah, and it's very light without the battery. And so as a comparison, let's set this down. And so there's the DJI Spark. So it's actually pretty similar size, but the weight, the Mavic Mini is noticeably lighter. Yeah, so there you go. So a little bit like Christmas. If I can get the box open. There you go. Oh, so all 3 batteries are in one box. So this is the extra combo package where you actually get 3 batteries. And the flight time on the Mavic Mini is supposed to be about double the Spark. So you get up to 30 minutes of flying time, and we usually average about 15 minutes on the Spark. Yeah, you can get that. Oh, this is a plug. Oh, so just pretty. Well, we're in New Zealand, so Australia, New Zealand plug. Just regular charging. Paperwork, yeah. Quick start, read about everything. I find that the text is so small on these, you're better just go online. Watch some videos and flying. If you want to read it, get the PDF. It's a lot easier. Yeah, and I think these are the rotary kind of blade, if you want to put them on for the. Although I haven't seen people use these on the videos that I watch, so I don't know if we're going to do the, to protect the blades. It should be alright just like that. But anyway, they give you a pair for free if you want. You don't have to buy them aftermarket. Yeah, and that's it. So there's our empty box and the Mavic Mini. Let me get this out first. Tab. Alright, and those come out. And just slide these up. And pull these up. So that just flips down like that. So I'm going to put them on their respective boxes, because this one is the Spark. And there's our Mavic. There's some tape things you got to take off. Although this one has one of those QR codes, so you might want to keep that. Yep. Yeah, so we'll get 1 battery. I don't know if they come charged or not. Find out in a second, I guess. And it just opens up like that, and there's all the little pins, so we're just going to match that up, and just like that. It's got the micro USB, there's a charger, there's probably a cable in there, and then the slot for the SD card. So that's it. And it weighs noticeably more with the battery. Alright, and inside the case there is the controller, and the 3 battery charging station. So this is the Fly More combo, so you get 3 batteries, and it comes with a nice quick charge station, and just use the micro USB, just like if you were going to charge the battery on either one of the, just a single battery charge in the drones. So yeah, so pretty cool, and it all comes together. It doesn't cost that much more than the base model, so if you're thinking of flying a lot, or you're going to do some travel, I strongly recommend the 3 batteries. We ended up buying the extra batteries for the Spark just because it's really annoying trying to recharge if you're in some cool spots. You want to fly at least a few times in one day or one morning. So yeah, so this is the Mavic Mini Fly More combo. There we go. Oh, and this one, notice it's a bit different than the Spark. You actually pull, you can detach the controls, and when you're done flying, so you put them out there when you're gonna fly, and then yep, just like the other DJIs, and then when you're finished, you can actually, don't lose them, and you can pop them in, or you can just leave them. You can actually leave them screwed in, which probably is what I'll do, unless I'm going for a flight or something, then I'll want to tuck them in. But generally speaking, just use like that. And I think these come with USB, the connector for your phone. Let's get into the cables. So we ended up buying one for the Spark, and it wasn't even long enough. So here, once again, DJI was very nice, and for all the stuff that we ended up buying from the other ones, they included in the combo. So, oh, you've got the Lightning, so if you use an iPhone or an iPad. You've got the USB Mini, which is the most common, and also the USB-C, which a lot of the newer Samsung phones in that use. So yeah, you got a little bit of everything here. It's a big combo. All right, now for the flying, and we're going to compare the two: the footage, the range, the video quality, stability, control, all of that. We'll touch on for the flying. But for now, the DJI Mavic Mini.